Hello everybody, here we are. Welcome back, and it's time to start working on that project again. And yeah, so overall setup is ready right now. So let's just simply start working on this. So what's gonna be the next thing? We did what? We had the new group over here, and when I click on that, so at that time I don't really need this new group, right? So I just need the group ID, and the group ID needs to be stored there, that is right. So I can just simply go with this way. So I have selected groups IDs and I have selected shape, and that will have the group ID in itself, as simple as that. So this part is done at least, and apart from this particular thing, just a sec. Yeah, so I was just simply saying that now if I select these two, I'm able to see them like this, and I'm able to move them. But I want that if I what is the issue? Object dot values group shapes cannot convert undefined or null to this. Okay, fine. So use create canvas renderer. Create canvas renderer, and line number 172. So this is the place, and the thing is that this should only be happening when I have that. So if I have interaction dot group the shapes, only then I have to just simply do it, otherwise I don't. So this is gonna be the grouped selection, and cannot convert undefined or to null object. What just happened? Group selection, and this is how it goes. What exactly I have to do now? When I click on a shape, I have to check whether this is normal shape. If I click on a normal shape, I get the normal bound. When I click, what the hell? Something is up. So normal shapes are working fine. Grouped the selection right now. So this is where it is, and then we have normal shape. So there is definitely a difference. They are not selected. So first of all, I have to fix this particular thing. So that simply means those shapes, they have sort of the bounding boxes by default, probably yes. So we'll have to remove the bounding boxes, but we'll do it later. As for right now, as soon as I click even on a single one, and if that is a grouped one, so I have to render so if I click on any shape, and if the shape ID, it has a group ID, then the preview shape should have all those IDs. Okay, let's do it. Coming back to this, what I have to do whenever I'm clicking, so this particular section over here, so whenever the pointer down actually happens, again there are many things here, so pointer down, pointer move, pointer up, So whenever pointer down happens, okay, and when the pointer down is actually done, and if I actually hit a shape, hitting a shape means uh, if did not hit the shape, this particular section is gonna be running. But if I hit the shape, then even before that clicked inside the current selection, so if we click inside the current selection, then this part is gonna be running. That is fine. So it just simply checks bounce for the group bounce, that is alright. And clicked an unselected shape. Okay, clicked an unselected shape, so that's gonna be selected, right? Especially if we do that. So there are two things: either we are clicking already selected shape, or we are clicking the unselected shape. If the shape is already selected, selected shapes include hit shape.id. So that simply means the shape was already selected, and if the shape wasn't selected, we are doing this. And then we have grouped shapes. So whenever I click on that, clicked the shape. So when we click this, that's fine. How about when we have two grouped ones? Getting a call. Well, that's not gonna be picked up. Or let me pick up the call. Just a sec. Alright, everybody got some work to do, so I'll have to go and get that done. I'll be right back. Just a sec. That's kind of an emergency one, so I'll be back soon. Like.